In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know how to open a PDF, make quick edits to images and text, and export a clean, shareable PDF with your changes preserved. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once it's open, head to the File menu and choose Open. Navigate to your PDF and select it. Inkscape treats PDFs like vector artwork whenever possible, which makes it great for precise edits without the fuzzy look you might get in a traditional document editor. After you pick your file, a PDF import settings dialog will appear. You'll see options for internal import and Cairo import. If you're not sure which to pick, it's safe to accept the default and click OK. Both options aim to faithfully bring in vector shapes, images, and text. The differences are mostly under the hood. If your PDF has multiple pages, you may be prompted to import a specific page, but for now, just proceed with the page you want to edit. With your PDF in Inkscape, you can work directly on its elements. Click an image to select it. You'll see handles around the image that let you resize and rotate. Drag a corner handle to scale. Holding the modifier key to constrain proportions helps prevent distortion. You can move an image by dragging it to a new spot. If you need to replace an image, select it and swap it with another one from your computer so the layout remains consistent. Take your time to align items visually so everything looks intentional and balanced. To adjust text, double-click on a word to start editing. If the text doesn't look quite right, that's often due to missing fonts on your computer. Inkscape will substitute a generic font when the original isn't available, which can slightly change spacing or line breaks. Don't worry, there's a reliable way to preserve the exact appearance when you export. When you're finished with your changes, go back to File and choose Save As. In the File Type dropdown, select Portable Document Format, .pdf. This ensures you're exporting back to a standard PDF. In the export settings, look for the option Convert Texts to Paths and enable it if you want recipients to see the exact fonts and layout you see on your screen, even if they don't have those fonts installed. Just note that converting text to paths makes the text non-editable in the exported PDF and can slightly increase file size. That's all there is to it. Open, import, edit images and text, then export with the settings that best preserve your design.